We thank God for this Bible week. No, actually, the month of January is the Bible month, but this last week is the Bible week, and we thank God for the beautiful words of God. No, yesterday we celebrated also the Sunday of the Word of the Lord. No, the Bible. It is said. No, I do not know word that. It is not originally mine, but I have read, and I'm sure you're aware. What does the word Bible mean? B-I-B-L-E, basic instruction. No, B-I, B, before, L, live, living, no? Tapos E, earth, basic instruction before leaving the earth. No? How it will be, what it says, no? Ito yung instruction manual natin sa lupang ibabaw bago tayo bumalik sa ating tunay na bayan sa langit. This is a very important reminder how we many times take this for granted. It is very important that we palakasin natin, wag natin baliwalain ang salita ng Diyos. These are God's words to remind us of this. And to deny it is to deny the power of God, the Word of God that is alive. Pag dinideny natin to, that is the consequence. So we ask the good Lord to help us with these instructions to continue to deepen this, and because it is alive, ito ay isang ugnayan sa salita ng Diyos na kumakausap sa atin. Truly make it a wonderful experience today as we are reminded of the importance of the Word of God. No? So ulit, no, sana itong araw na to, itong linggo na to, itong buwan na to, gawin natin tunay na buhay ang salita ng Diyos. Huwag natin baliwalain yung salita ng Diyos na nagbibigay ng buhay sa atin. Huwag sana lang maalikabukan sa ating mga cabinet. No? Gamitin natin ang salita ng Diyos na buhay para maging tunay na mabuting balita. No? This is the good news of our salvation. We are saved because of this Bible, the Word of God that is alive. We ask our saint today, Saint Angela Merici, to help us go through this life with these basic instructions. Salamat sa Diyos.